أهلا, hello. أنا is a separated pronoun for the first person in the position of the subject, coming at the beginning of the sentence or at least before the verb. For example, أنا أكتب. It can be translated as I write or I'm writing. إياي or إيايا. It represents the first person in the position of the object. It also separated, meaning that it's not attached to any other word and coming only at the beginning of the word. For example, إيايا تذكرت. Then we have the attached pronouns. The attached pronoun in the position of the subject comes only attached to the verb in the past tense. For example, كتبت. You can also say أنا كتبت, and both means I wrote. Then we have the attached pronoun at the position of the object, and it's ني. For example, الكتاب أفادني. In the possessive case, we have my as يا. For example, سريري. The word attached to the يا as in possessive case for the first person is always without the alif and lam. You can't say السريري. Never. It's سريري. Then لي, as for example السرير لي. In case of using لي, you have to add alif lam to the word.